Should your users be able to open up your Active Directory, explore everything about it, look at who's the global admins, look at the applications, look at all of your configs in your environment? Hey, I'm Doug Baker, and this is Just Do the Basics, Secure Your Office 365. So I want to show you today one quick way that you can secure access to your Azure Active Directory environment and block end users from doing just that. All right, so here we are in Azure Active Directory, and this is all of the information that a standard user can see without having admin permissions. This is the default from Microsoft. So let me show you kind of the concern that we have with this configuration and why we think you should fix it. So here I am in roles, and this gives me the ability to pull up who is everything in my organization. So if I wanted to look up who are all the global administrators, I can go in and just with a normal user account, I can pull up and see everybody that's in my organization, what their role is, who the global admins are. If you had a service account where you were hiding it to, do a break glass or something like that, all of that information can be exposed by your end users. Additionally, end users can come in and look at app registration information. They can look at all of the enterprise apps that you have in your organization, everything that's set up, and all of those type of things. They can also find out information about your Active Directory environment. Pull up Azure AD Connect, look at some of this information in here. If there's sync services, if it's connected, it gives just way too much information about your environment and kind of all of those things in it. So how do we fix that? How do we take that away? Well, it's a really simple option in Azure Active Directory on how to fix that. So all we need to do is come in with our administrator account, go into user settings, and under user settings, we have this option in here to, for administration portal, restrict access to it. If you set this to yes in your environment, this will lock end users out of that entire experience. Well, they'll no longer be able to open up your Azure Active Directory, explore everything about it. When they'll get into the environment, it'll just give them a block. You're not able to access it. They won't be able to pull up all of that directory information and, just find out information that they don't need to know about your environment. So I hope this helps you. Bonus points, if you wanted to block access to Microsoft Azure entirely, that's another strong option that you could consider. And with that, you would do that via a conditional access policy. I'll tackle that in another video, but for today, hopefully this helps you all. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out.